always just sang songs when I'm partying.
I love your bag.
Thank you.
Look at us. We're twinning.
Good price. Good for you. Good for me.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I love this hostel.
Paracetamol.
Yeah, Shauna always takes that.
And this one is ibuprofen. You say I will take this one. Is it better? You think?
I remember it. Yay! Where's our cute driver? Where is he? Where's our cute driver?
That's it. Here.
There he is, I think. That's him.
Come in.
Hi! Where do we sit?
You.
Good, good. Nice car. This is our driver. What is your name, sir?
Madi.
Madi?
Dewa, Dewa.
Deva?
Dewa.
Deva.
Dewa, yeah.
Deva.
Dewa.
Deva. Her name is Devi.
Baby.
Dewi. Dewa. Okay.
Deva. Ready, ready, ready. Ready, ready, ready. So we've got one big tourist here with a Canon camera.
And the drone. Oh.
And a drone. Oh my god. Oh my god, you brought your drone. So she has a fucking drone. Oh my god, it's amazing.
I'm so excited for that.
Me too. How nice is this walk?
Oh, it's really nice.
It's so green.
Oh, I think we have to pay down there or something.
I think so. I love my bag so much. Hey! Hey! Oh my god! He's so small. Aww, cute. Hey, mommy. Yay! Welcome to Kanto Lampo waterfall.
Oh yeah, we have to pay.
Oh my god, this is so green. Oh my god, we already hear the waterfall. Wow. It starts small.
This is gonna be so slippery. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's moving. Well, Jill is walking up the rocks right now.
She's doing it very elegant and very fast. She's doing a great job. And I'm just sitting here, relaxing. Yeah.
He's gonna make some pictures. Oh, she's struggling. Come on, you can do it.
You just have to be careful.
So now we're gonna play a game of where is Jeff. Yeah. So everyone is having a photo shoot and so are we. Debbie is the photographer because she's very good at it. And now Jill is in action. Beautiful! You can't really see her that well. Oh well. See ya! Because I've been in Uber. I like floral. Yeah, yeah. I like something like yeah, not far away. And food. I want to eat. Yeah. Something nice. More what? More So the driver wants a picture with us.
Just took a few.
My friend's song. Okay, you want a video?
Yes.
Okay, pretty good song. I'm putting on. You like it?
Yep.
Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh my god. I love this place so much. And we're so fucking hungry. We're so hungry. We're like, need food now. When you're very hungry.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god. So we all got the same. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Oh my god, food.
Yes.
Yay. Thank you. Oh my god.
Was the juice good?
Not taste. Is it good?
It's with ginger though. I don't know if you like ginger.
Oh, I love ginger.
Oh yeah, I love that. Yeah, it looks really good.
Good, but very strong. I love it. Yum.
Can you take your
Baby! Hey! Oh! The hostel dog. We love him.
baby? You cute. Oh my god. Here all day? Relaxing? Yes. Are you just relaxing? You're so cute.
Okay, we just want to say really quickly.
Hi guys.
Jill, you're amazing. No, you're amazing. Really sweet. And we're happy to meet you.
I'm so sad. We're going to say goodbye tomorrow. So,
We love you. Bye. So we're now on the way to get our tattoos. Are you excited for your tattoo?
woo! I'm so excited. I just need to find the right coordinates.
So she wants the coordinates of the place where she was born, on the same place as where I have this.
You're
Funny.
an influencer.
I influenced her. Right now, Jill is getting her tattoo. I'm gonna go to her right now. Took a little bit with like putting it on, but she finally has the right part of her arm. Look, this is in the tattoo shop. They have like all these awards and stuff, so they must be good. And now we're gonna say hi. Hey! And there he's working on it.
Bali souvenir, you know?
Okay,